Mwache mwakwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi eso yadanyame asese ne atiasefo nso yakan wo aka hu bie mwakwa bason kokra de ba yen Jumadi fi sabre kosise no nkono ebebo apem de didi kan kase ansam ne do so ne todwa mu bi ya wo betini adehye ya won mo won kokko nso sede dumso ha won ene wonnuma eno so ne adom kase de hu komo ye de sansam no ebebro Yababo ram na yakọ ne akwahwe mpraye so na nkamre bi atwam na eso ha won adwene pa na so ne wo mo hene aye adefefe de ama wo mo e wonsuo mu eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase o show me live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 oko YouTube a wo search Adom TV tube yo ho bidi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de motie se den nsem ni nchiremu ankasa etie adehye ya wono ewo enkokọ wo kwa west mensimu wa poyemantimu se nei kanea no se de nyina so no ha won adwene ama won dwuma so aye bibie wo ho ebi ni Adom TV kase edi nkomoyi
pacho me hairdresser na dum so na ha ye pa esan se ye nya kanea emfa nya adwuma obi ba light ni ho nte ma ye lusu bebre
ya mabro ni enkate o light ni omudum na ha pa ema sika sem su na asote ana mudum no so aye je se tena ho kopem se ombeso asane san ya dwuma di bi kwa be fia na bi anadwo tu obi wo kwa so onya botre ya dum no obesa tasen katara ko bi fufro de be kan chepeni fo so mo hwe light na mayen omani na fa kumayen
ya man kate e won kan adwuma na wo ye be ya bodo ba kwa man kronfo o ma osika ma wo de to aduani adi yedun latna wo ye adwuma bia wo ba ye de na wo san kasika e de kwato aduani ama wo no wo madi
me ye baba ni se light na ha pa se dum so de ba e ma ntimi nya adwuma wo se bia simi sifu a me nya adwuma yi ifra pa betra ye dum kanea no enti adwuma ntimi nkoso de bia me to patrol so a ntimi nya adwuma na ma me nipa me nipa kra na patrol na sa patrol so bo aye den
Siano eso na yankonsan foforo mu nkoso hene yo wokọ umpraye so de ye water tanks efa insure 10,000 akwa electoral areas miensa se won monye na wo hawa wo mu fam e won suo mu no entwama won Adom TV kase etoso
wana bibie e won sa wakra no emmoa hani han se de amanfo benya enema abantimi enye ni nyina no edi misi ehene no mishia assignment no ne miensa eno wane do wana hia asem atuma one hia tank na se e bia what must to be na ya tuma amfotime enye bia bu ena ka me kuma a ma me yes ado yi Ghana anaze ebimamu maintenance adi bia eho edin akra but mesre se one bit manage ni na atima che because ukura de bi a eho edin se de na manage ni ya enche na asei ti se one person nya homfa so de ni nyina so be hwe so yi
eno achi o te smoglu ya wo no gina omafo na nemu eje water tank si e de nsem sei eto aso
hano Ghana water no flow enche ebi wo ho a aba an hour or two na omasatum enti na ya on so problem pa ya so yi pa every say obi be in the bottom sika almost 40,000 to support in so say you know I know water is life enti ye be assembly members any unit committee for your own price so there me gina manemu ne ada nana nkoso hene ase in fact ne wa ye no ye ni so ye pa na ye hye ne bon so say ye be hwe so ye na price so man anya
security analyst Dr. Adom Bona se yokodie eho ne corruption munyina headquarters na ni nyina so nti wakasa nsemi wode akotom na sobedwefo animo sama me Cecilia Dapa nisika sam no ho hwehwe bi ekoto odwa ne boafo fa ye ho nsam a ekokopie special prosecutor ni mu awi akire ekopie yoko nso sika ne yadama no ohunu ne se ntwa ye nti wasam na sobedwefo omo je na nsam no omo hwehwe mu wo ni Facebook and ni social media handle so and all this symphony and a video koto ya Adom TV kase edebe.
And I can say with certainty that Iyoko has also become the headquarters of corruption. There is a need to investigate what happened between these two institutions under the executive. Iyoko and Special Prosecutor are both under the Attorney General's office. And so to have Iyoko being handed over the file to investigate this under money laundering, which comes under them, and to have Iyoko come back and forth and later tell us that, well, they couldn't do anything about it, if you ask me, is mind-boggling. And as a citizen and not a spectator.
What you to just say, Amunumuhaya, what they so right honorable Speaker of Parliament, and you must say, and Yama Bebri, Air Cosso, how you will say, and Yana Quanso, yes, as a Ghana Funi na Ignu, na one Etsie, a sensi, so one of Matissa by partisan committee, no, a Babu Pam, why you want to move in Shishimu, Nano Kureno Ababi Tuja.
There are a lot of things that are going on within Iyoko that some of us find very unfortunate. And probably when these things begin to unfold, maybe if the speaker is minded to give an extended terms of reference, I mean, this is not to say I know what is going to happen, but if the speaker would do this, I believe that we are going to have Ghanaians come out and tell the committee, if there is a bipartisan probe, the committee, what they know. And I can say with certainty that the boss of Iyoko is not.
Maento akasiano so yamam pani nana do danko akufuado aka said the obeye bia de bebo bambofo wode ebebo agegefo ho eban wo bambo mu wode bema won na afeni amane akade a wormu hia so wadwuma nso ombetumi aye a esuro ne hu bia ni mu no wode bema won Adom kase etwaso.
Of Ghana is committed to supporting the judiciary in every way necessary to ensure that justice is not only served but also seen to be served. We're determined to improve judicial infrastructure, providing resources and ensuring the safety and security of judges who often face risks in the line of their duties.
And Wachi, Chief Justice here my Ghana Emo, Justice Gertrude Tokono, and so the two us to say. Conference here what this is so no, a Badwam judge for as Sonia Sion named Dibia, Sepanasi would dear Sama, a Badwam 1 year pa.
This conference, we believe that we will have the chance to learn, grow, and become better apprised with the goal of ensuring that women and children and the vulnerable in our individual societies can be assured of justice whenever sociological norms and community cultures clash with the law. This is the goal at the core of IAWJ as an association. While we expect this week to be one of learning and sharing, I'm particularly looking forward to the conviviality, building, and strengthening of bonds that will definitely occur.
And we are forming no ya womo ya memoa ashe ameneme kase watwa na monsie do wo ma men so enam ehihie no so epra ya emu eden sika dodo no anso na ahwerebra wono mo dan kra miensa watch mo dan wo Brim Central Ejato Adom TV kase etwaso.
There are quite a number. So on day, if the Local Government Act, we're about 3% out of one common. There are quite a number. So on a day, if the Local Government Act, we're about 3% out of one common fund or the other persons with disabilities. Let me with you. We can all MMDCs. We will do what? Stand back only until one convention and say they are consider all other projects because they are the most important act were established before we consider all other projects.
Wonum bia enya saye yedi mu chefa ne Adom kase atwetwem komo a wode sansemi etudwa
da honorable so ase se wanka obi bia wo takwan so ayem na waka ye na yedi dem na waba abehwe yen ne kwade nyame anim ye hwe achede a honorable ade abra ye nuanem ya na so mo na eseni ya honorable ayama hande ye da na ase ya ka cha na yame nsira
why am in piano? Never put out this is one of my now, I said, the way you're brown, so when you're one person, I'm not Pattinson. That's why you're animal. But only this word, yeah. I'm not telling why here. And I only didn't get the answer that we can get about it. I thought you can compare it. That's why we're not good. I'm not check. Also, said the I'm coming up. You know what, summer, you put them, you're woman. That's
Fache se yenya nkwadaa mienu no a won ahye no fache yenkase ahodom ye de bebro mu nemom de amuti ye osofo abede akire ya wo Lands and Natural Resources so George Meku Duka ya ene wodi adesrema MMDC empanifo se yenuanum asabi won wodi demo no won mu fa na ewo mu no nkebe ya won fama won tem na ja kase bia mrafom ma yento ansam no so ne monwura yensam foforo mu Deputy Commissioner War Electoral Commission ya wono Esho Corporate Services so ya Dr. Eric Bosman Asare wasinukure bi anim se commissioner no wono mo ye kanesichi bi ne amanyokuo bi aye baako na fei wono mo tietie binum so fa ahudie so nya sa no wo dwuma no hyehyɛ no atie se de binum dwene no wono nsantwafo ahye di nkomoyi no de sansemi etudwa.
The Commission understands that the right to register as a voter is a fundamental political right that must be protected for all Ghanaians who are at least 18 years old and meet the requirements for registration. Consequently, it's unfortunate that some will accuse the Commission of discriminating against a section of Ghanaians in the registration exercise. We wish to use this medium to again assure all Ghanaians that the Commission is committed to ensuring that all qualified persons get onto the voters register and vote in the December 2024 presidential and parliamentary elections.
Dr. Asari Ekoswa Echiremu say, if he bread in Trojumedi no Eshase no, man for 259,149 and natural wounding na Asante and crying and a poya mantemu and a one more true wounding no edosopa.
Exercise. The following are the figures for each region. Greater Accra, 33,899, representing 13.5%. Northeast region, 6,928, representing 2.8%. Upper East, 10,646, representing 4.2%. Northern, 19,491, 7.8%. Bono region, 8,972, 3.6%. Bono East, 9,681, 3.
Yeguso ya wo yabato no mo ensam na adhye bi e wo elibo wo jomro bato mpesua so wo Western region SRS nkebe ya komisa no nane de wonfa bi nka ho ma won kakra se be betimi aboa ma obi atumi atro ne din ibini Adom kase edi nkomoyi.
Almost I'm here in 2 days. But 2 days more so my epitendra na me buy mbedina ase sign and my basa still na endu me so. Nti yes buy ni say days no me dey amom no. E hye na ofa bi nka ho na sisi am midna ase mo form 3. Me na fofo no sisi aye o say e kwa treasant. Sisi am form 3 midna ase. Sisi a 2 days na me dey am no so enso.
Enya kura ye ba ya beda afri ndra sa be siende. Ya da nso me free am we akura se na me ba. Ya da so gina se ade kura mo sisi so kura no mbewi. Ade so san wo se me ye de me.
Ya da na be sense mpefunu ye.
Ya be sense so mo de da ni bi be kan. Se de be ya ye nso ye nya bi ye betumi aye bi. Ya mo ka so mo be san so aye de. Ama mo akonze ma ba ye no de. E won de ye ntumi nya de anko.
Kiti enra e ba yo how be blue. Every say enra e be di liesa e bo say so mo say anko. E na no person ba the same thing. O mo say both say so am be ku. Every say enra say na nipa 200 and ye be 400. Menya sure say mu bebre ko betumi anya ye nti. Mpani form waye. Say bi on be my days bi kura ka ho ma etumi aya. Na ye on my 2 days kura bi o mu ntumi wi. By on my 2 days come my betumi ada o mass. It's a problem I face.
MPP amanyoko chochoni wa Sutifi North eya fomantemu ya Emmanuel Dua ene ye areho na kuma mu pa kyeresa ban ne ma hodo bebre sanko ye ewa bato mpesua no so no won mu agya no ho a ha de hye wo ho osresa aban ne mpanifo meboa won asutifi ene ne mpotamu ewo niema bi e wo se won mo ye adom kase ne no edi nkomo ye
how kakra ewo ho baako eye kanya se hwidiem kwan elenki to asutifi south hwidiem eye major kwan ye no na eye the face of the constituency we are aban no ni monto aya ade aka bom aye kwan na kodru baabi de aka no enye kire se akoni abadie atasifo enom ne timamufo ehuna mane aka few kilometers less than even 2 kilometers yano na sikasem bi beto between contractor Kofi Job ene aban no ne company nintem sisia sa project no come to standstill. Apart from that, your project be a middle bed project, it be a pipe-borne waters, it be a market, a buying the ansaki kankikan. Say no, nina no aka. Yes, sir. Say no so before 2024 election. Nanka complete sa project nina we are. Not just a certificate of any abano edini, abano so a certificate of edini.
Asin North MPP Women's Organizer Yanama Santoa na wode tuma enim wo MPP amanyuku no se wonye ne ombetumi bia sebeya afia bato no nkunudie bekwama MPP
Asin North MPP Asin North ni bia MPP obi oso nya MPP Asin North no boa na ya na sene meka ya emotions kakra bi na betwam na yakoye de yakoto aba na kode ye bewie ni asan ne ho yakoto akode nko sese onam kroma fama na sesa kasa na sesa ya ye bufu ya yakoto aba ni ebuafu ana ne bibinti yesi o we de ye nto nti ne nyina ya sesa ya de sese ya san baba to ye party MPP Asin North afie we ye fire de
eni nyina mu no Central Regional Women's Organizer MPP amanyuku no Charlotte Adwentwi e de adesre eto Ghana mampanyina nim se Maslog panyipa sika akodi ne nsemu no wonhwe se obegye se de be ya emanse be ka bi edidwa ama wabrabom akonkan
na me hwe news ana hu se Central Region edwom forma won kasa de wo pam ase sika na asadi nam tamakro oba besi ono akwatumi afa no Samle nke kwa around and Kadu Central Region ma so nto mo sele Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ane ne papa Bawumia ne papa na akufo ado se sa sika no mo je na bimdu Central Region dwom ama kasa se sika no mo nya bi
Deputy Protocol Officer awo mampanyini atenaye owura jebeni efa kunya no so eyi 20,000 e de boa man se wonfa mo bo ho ya campaign se de be MPP amanyoku no be ya kono e wa Asin of Mensinim
Bayina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na hanu bema kwan na no pay ye de asiaseda ne ye wodi a womre no wadaje a wodi emaye ye kwa ba besi ma mienu ne miensa so na fe de bonkrata no online stories bi nso ayensa aka ye de abro wo kwade awrade fa nkodu asomdue mu no mfa omranso ye mo wuti bi hwe en live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra se YouTube nso a wo search Adom TV 2 ye wo ho na fe dwumadi nkai wo ne ya hwe ye kwa ba ne atwaso